Greeting, Greetings. My name is Steven Newman, and I am a teacher, scientist, and IT professional. And I am making this video to briefly explain my new model of programming, which I've named solution-based programming. How this model is different than the traditional model, and why this model is the better model compared to the current input-output model. So before we begin, I would like to explain, because I know not everyone out there does not know what the input output model is. So the input output model is binary. Okay, so you can see it here. It's binary. Okay, all computing languages are just either a 1 or a 0. They just express a series of ones and zeros in a different way. So, for example, right, you put 10001001000 and your music file plays, or you do 100011111 and your game plays. Okay, this is called the output model because 1 is an input, it's yes, and 0 means no. And this is the dominant model of computing, by the way. Okay, I have come up with a model to replace this. So to best explain my model, I must first continue with my explanation of the input-output model. Okay. So when you tell that computer, okay, 1 yes no yes no yes no, or 100001, it arrives at something. It arrives at a command you want it to execute. Okay. My model does something completely different. So instead of going 100000001 command, okay, and I have named the command. The command is alternatively called the function. I choose in my computing model to call the command solution-based programming, or I'm sorry, the solution, which is why it's called solution-based programming. And what we do in my model is let's just say we want the computer to find 2 plus 2. Okay, so in the traditional input-output model, you tell it 2 plus 2, it arrives at 4, right? In my model, we tell the computer 4, find all the different ways you can get to 4, and it will choose for itself the best and most efficient way to get to 4. This model of programming is much more efficient. It allows hardware to be used more efficiently, and it is a huge step towards artificial intelligence. Solution-based programming, I believe, as an IT expert in this way of thinking, and this new model, which I like I said again, is called solution-based programming, will revolutionize the world and will lead us to artificial intelligence.